There are millions of gun owners in the Philippines. Million po yan. I don't have the exact number. Okay, ang registered firearms natin. Pero ang culpability ng may-ari ay napakababa. Sa nangyari doon sa Tacloban, na kinuha ang baril, kung private owner, ang case niya is only civil, walang criminal. Ako po ay naniniwala na sa lahat na may-ari ng baril, may kaakibang responsibilidad kung paano alagaan to. Dapat to ay naka-safe, dapat to ay under lock and key, at dapat to 100% of the time, ang responsible ay yung gun owner. Maraming advocates ng People for the Responsible Ownership of Guns. Nananawagan ako sa lahat ng mga advocates ng People for the Responsible Ownership of Guns. Tulungan nyo kami para mag-craft ng bagong batas na may responsibility ang gun owner tukol sa kanilang hawak. It is a deadly weapon. It cannot be compared na hiniram ang kotse, tas nakasagasa na isa, may civil liability ang may-ari ng kotse. Baril to. In this case, ginamit ng estudyante. In case 1, the firearm used was a service pistol of a police officer. That ang charge lang ay malversation. Walang criminal liability ayon sa batas. Pero para sa akin, dapat meron. Kung ikaw ay matapang, kung ikaw ay gusto, hindi matapang, kung ikaw ay may hilig sa baril, o ikaw ay may service firearm, dapat itago yan. Dapat walang nakahawak na iba. In the other case, security guard. Nakalagay rin doon yung baril. Yung dalawang bata, 2 araw nilang pinlano to at alam nila kung saan kukuha ng baril. I recommend to Congress that they rewrite the IRR of gun ownership and the responsibility of owning firearms, and to put a criminal aspect into the illegal use or illegal transfer of their guns. People have to be responsible gun owners or gun operators. People have to take accountability. Sa nangyari dito, wala kaming ma-charge dahil bitin ng batas. Kailangan may liability ang mga taong to. Kailangan may criminal liability yung mga taong ito. Kailangan lahat na may-ari ng baril, lahat na merong lisensyang humawak ng baril, ay responsable sa kanilang pag-handle ng kanilang mga kagamitan.